Death toll from massive Highway 2000 crash increases. Good evening and thanks for joining us at Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the latest on the case of the 3-year-old killed in Sudan.
Her mother and stepfather face a court, plus cops take action against the accused killer.
Moko raid irritates another parish council.
And while local government minister Desmond McKenzie is lashing out.
In the business day, utilities regulator sees a spike in complaints.
There's also sports commentary and primetime weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
Effective June next year, all high school students will be required to sit a technical or vocational subject in their exit examinations. What do you think of the plan?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.